In this short video, we are going to show you how you can get started with taking subscription payments through your Billforward account in just a few minutes. Billforward's UI does everything you need to do to take payments, but our powerful UI will allow you to automate this process on the back end and offer you even more options than what is available inside your user dashboard. So to get started, we'll have to complete a one-time setup process of configuring a payment gateway and adding at least one subscription into our plan. So let's get to it. So let's start by configuring our payment gateway. All you need to do for this step is to have a payment gateway set up for your business with one of the providers listed here on the screen. Billforward is payment gateway agnostic, so if you choose to integrate with more than a single payment gateway, that's absolutely fine. For the sake of this video, let's assume we'll be going with Stripe. Clicking on the Stripe icon will take us into Stripe's setup form. As this is a sample Billforward organization inside the sandbox, for the purpose of this walkthrough, we'll click on top of the screen and say that we are using this as a test account for development purposes, and skip the actual process of configuring the gateway. Billforward will now pre-populate the account with sample Stripe gateway details that would mimic the input of an official business account. So now that we have configured with our Stripe payment gateway, we can go ahead and move on to step 2, which is setting up our very first subscription plan. So let's click here on Setup Pricing button. And for this walkthrough, let's assume that our company offers monthly cookie subscriptions, and we would like to kick things off by creating a monthly subscription that would allow our customers to get a batch of freshly baked chocolate cookies every month. So as a first step, we need to define the path for the subscription. Doing so will allow you as a business owner to manage your plans in an organized manner. So the concept of path is used for grouping plans together. So for our chocolate cookies monthly subscription, we will create our plan as follows. This is going to be bakery cookies, and plan name will be chocolate cookies monthly. And we are going to charge our customers in US dollars. There's a bunch of other currencies here available as well, if that makes the most sense for you and your business. And then let's put something here for the public name. So this is the name that you would like to be displayed to your customers. It is optional, however, it would probably make the most sense to help us stay organized if we did put something in there. So let's go with something funny here. Maybe let's go Choco Loco subscription. This will allow us later to easily add on other cookie subscriptions plans, such as white chocolate cookies, peanut butter cookies, mixed cookies, following the same logic. So let's say we wanted to offer a peanut cookies subscription. So I would go with bakery cookies / peanut cookies monthly. Let's go to the next step. Here is where we get to define the details of our billing cycle. So let's set this up to bill our customers once every month. There's a lot of flexibility here. You can choose however many times you would wish for your customers to be invoiced, and go as gradual or as big as you want to. And then from here, let's skip straight into pricing. Name chocolate subscription. Let's make this a flat fee, and let's say it's going to be $10 a month even. Units items purchased in. So here you have a lot of flexibility. You can make it candy, boxes, units, dozens, whatever you wish to make your unit. You can do it. And then the default quantity, if none specified on the subscription, let's just make it 1. Let's save this plan. Here is the little preview of what we have just created, and we're good to go. So from here, let's go back to our dashboard. And now that we've completed our one-time setup process, we are good to go, and our dashboard looks slightly different. So let's add our very first customer. So let's go into account. Inside Billforward, the concept of account actually represents a customer. So it could be an individual or a business entity. So to add our very first customer, so let's click here. And let's go ahead and pre-fill this form with some information. So let's make it John Smith. So all of these fields are optional, but if you choose to, you can definitely go into more granular things. So now that we have our very first customers in here, let's make sure we can have a payment details for our customers. So if you are taking credit card information, let's say over the phone, you would just go into actions and then click add payment method. For the sake of this video, let's just add some credit to the account. So another use case for this would be if you're offering somebody a refund, or perhaps there's some credit they would be adding in for referring a new customer, or from any of your other marketing activities. Let's make this $20, and it never expires. If you wanted to, you can assign here any date you want. It could be tomorrow, in a week, 3 months, a year, whatever you wish. It's going to work. So let's create that credit. And now that we have credit added to the account, let's make sure we can sign this person up for a subscription. So let's pick the product. Let's make it our bakery cookies. And they are on chocolate cookies monthly. Let's go ahead. This person's signing up for 1 box of cookies. You can make it as many as you want. Let's go ahead to click next step. Everything looks good. For payment methods, it shows nothing right now. It's because we didn't add a credit card, but we have enabled credit here, so it's all good. Let's go ahead and create that subscription. Perfect, and we're good to go. We have a happy customer who's going to receive a box of chocolate cookies every month now.